So why did I choose SMP? First of all, because I didn't want to go in for any kind of surgical treatments, and all the other things that I tried to grow hair did not work. So I came to know about SMP because I had gone for my eyebrows, and then they told me about this thing that helps with making the hair look denser. So I researched, I read up on what it is and all that, and then I found micro ink and I came to you. So I needed something that looks natural, not very made up, and yet it is not, it's easy. It's easy, I mean, a couple of sittings, and that kind of a thing is what brought me to SMP. Safety also. I know that it's not going to cause me any kind of reactions, or it made me feel comfortable.
Okay.
I would say that SMP is what should be done if you do not want to go in for a surgical treatment. No intervention, basically, because it's best at the end of the day. And if you're planning on going for SMP, please come to Microink. It's not just the best place that you can come to. It's the ultimate and the only place that you should think of. Because I have gone through it, and I know with my kind of scalp, there is so much work you had to do. It was almost the whole scalp. We started with a small patch is what we thought, but then you ended up doing the whole scalp. Not thinking about anything else, not thinking about time, not thinking about money. You didn't even increase your prices. You went in with the same price. I mean, who does that? So I think if anyone wants to do SMP, they should be coming to you. Eyes closed.
Thank you.